Hi guys, welcome back to our onboarding series. So today we're going to talk about the tools. So what is a tool and how to use them. So basically a tool is an action that your agent can do during the call, and to add one you need to go to your task block, so right there, and go to the bottom of the page. You click on add tool and there you go. So as you can see, there are many predefined tools such as hang up or transfer call. So you need to add one of them, for example hang up, and you need to make sure that you mention them in your prompt also. So here I mentioned hang up, and you need also to mention the conditions before calling the tool. In our secretarial agent we need two tools, hang up and transfer calls. So let's dive into these two tools. So first, the hang up function. It's quite simple. When the agent has completed its mission, the agent ends the call. So and you can see in our prompt, so we call the function and we establish the conditions before using the tool. So in our case, if the client has no more questions. Then there's the transfer call function. It's quite basic also. So add tool transfer call. This function allows the agent to redirect the call to a human if it doesn't know what to do. It's quite simple. You just need here to paste a phone number, and if the agent, so in our case, look, if the agent has not the information, or if the action is outside of his scope, he will redirect the call to the phone number that I've put. And finally, one of the most powerful tool is the custom function tool. So here you click on custom function, and it's really powerful because you can connect your agent to an API, which can be very useful, for example, to connect it to scheduling software or to a make scenario. In those situations, it's very useful. First, you need to describe your tool, so what it does and when you need to use it. Then you can add a tool parameters. So it's optional, but it sets parameters that define if you can use or not the API. Then you need to configure the API call settings. So first the HTTP method, so a get, a post, or whatever. Then you need to paste the link of your API. So here, for example, and then after that you can add, if you need one, headers for authentication. You can add API parameters if you need one to use the API. And finally, you can create an API response mapping, so it will create variables on the Rounded platform based on the API response. So it can be also quite useful. And that's it. Now you know how to use basic functions such as hang up or transfer calls, and also to create more specific functions with the custom function tools. And in the next video we're gonna dive into the variables. So